By the time most people reach 60, they've worked hard, raised families, and built something meaningful. But when it comes to retirement, the question we hear most often is, have I done enough? And after nearly 2 decades of helping South Africans plan for this stage of life, we've noticed something very interesting. The most successful retirees, the ones who sleep well at night and live life on their own terms, all have 7 financial goals in common.
These aren't complicated investment tricks or get-rich schemes. They are the steady, practical things that bring structure to your money and freedom to your life. So today we're unpacking the 7 financial goals successful retirees hit by the age 60. If you can tick these off, you're well on your way to a confident, purpose-driven retirement.
Hi there and welcome back to the Family Wealth Retirement Masterclass. My name is Hardy Swart. I'm a certified financial planner at Family Wealth Custodians.
And I'm Hugo Kloppers, Senior Financial Planner at Family Wealth Custodians.
Over the past decade and a half, we've helped many families retire with clarity and confidence. But before we start today, just a quick disclaimer. Everything we discuss today is for educational purposes only. It doesn't constitute personal financial advice. And if you find this video helpful, please do us a favor. Like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends or family who are approaching retirement. This might just help them to take that big next step.
Before retirement, your salary gave you rhythm. Income came in, debit orders went out. Once that stops, many people feel lost. The flow of money becomes irregular, and that uncertainty creates anxiety. We call it your retirement paycheck system. It's made up of 3 simple accounts: an income account for monthly inflows, an expense account for your debit orders and day-to-day spending, and a buffer account that holds at least 3 months of expenses.
One of our clients, let's call her Elsa, once told me, when I stopped treating my retirement like a lump sum and started managing it like a salary, I finally felt in control. Structure creates calm, and calm creates confidence. Most retirees don't run out of money because of bad investments. They run out of money because they underestimate what life really costs. Track your spending for 3 months, not to restrict yourself, but to understand your lifestyle. Categorize expenses into essentials, medical aid, food, utilities, and lifestyle, which are things like travel, hobbies, and family.
Once you know your real numbers, you can make smart choices. Many of our clients discover they can retire earlier than expected, simply because their lifestyle spending is flexible. They can adjust without giving up what matters most. Clarity brings confidence. Successful retirees know their net worth, not because they're chasing status, but because they track progress like a business does. Your net worth equals what you own minus what you owe. Updating it once or twice a year helps you spot changes early, especially in the first few years of retirement when your income, taxes, and drawdowns start interacting.
At Family Wealth Custodians, this is one of the first steps in every master plan we create. It's not about the size of your portfolio, it's about direction. Is your wealth growing stable or being drawn down too quickly? When you know where you stand, you make decisions from understanding, not emotion. Ask any retiree what freedom feels like, and many will say, the day I paid off my bond. It's not just about numbers, it's emotional. Debt brings anxiety. Freedom from it brings peace.
A bond is a personal decision. Some clients prefer keeping it for liquidity or tax purposes, but most say the peace of mind of being debt-free is priceless. The happiest retirees we know live without monthly installments hanging over them. Once your debt is gone and your capital is built, the next question is, how do I turn this into an income? This is where the income map comes in. A detailed plan showing where your income will come from, when it starts, and how it is taxed. List every source: living annuities, discretionary investments, pensions, rental properties, and offshore accounts.
In South Africa, the order of withdrawals can make a huge difference when it comes to tax. Drawing from the wrong account first can increase your lifetime tax by hundreds of thousands of rands. That's why we've built the Family Wealth Retirement Master Plan to align income, tax, and investment structures so your portfolio not only grows but lasts. because a retirement plan should be sustainable, not stressful. And there's one super important thing is, yes, we all must pay tax, but we don't need to pay unnecessary taxes. Markets move, inflation bites, and medical costs climb. Your plan needs to hold up under all of it. Don't just plan for the good years. Test your plan for the tough years also. What happens if the market drops by 20%? What if medical inflation runs at 10% for a decade? What if you live 5 years longer than you expected?
When clients see that their plan can survive those stress tests, everything changes. Fear turns into freedom because confidence doesn't come from guessing, it comes from knowing.
And if you'd like help creating a plan that's truly built around your life, that's what we do every single day. At Family Wealth Custodians, we've helped thousands of retirees design what we call the Family Wealth Retirement Master Plan, a bespoke financial roadmap that focuses on sustainable income through all market cycles, tax-efficient investment structures, long-term wealth preservation, and a confident transition into retirement. If you'd like to learn more about the Retirement Master Plan, you can schedule a complimentary exploration call with one of our retirement specialists. We'll show you how a tested plan can turn uncertainty into clarity and help you retire with structure, purpose, and peace of mind.
This last one isn't about you, it's about the people you love.
We've seen too many families thrown into confusion simply because documents weren't updated or heirs didn't know what to do. Review your will and trust every few years. Make sure your beneficiaries reflect your current wishes. And keep a simple legacy file. One folder that contains your will, policies, important contracts, and instructions. Your wealth should be a gift, not a puzzle.
So there they are, the 7 financial goals successful retirees hit by 60. A reliable cash flow system, a clear understanding of real expenses, a net worth tracker, a debt-free lifestyle, a lifetime income map, a tested financial plan, and a legacy and estate strategy.
If you're working through these, don't worry if you're not there yet. You can make real progress in just 1 year, and each step you take brings you closer to a life that's secure, structured, and stress-free. Thanks for watching the Retirement Masterclass. My name is Hardy Swart.
And I'm Hugo Klopper.
Keep investing into your future.